Is how to fix your WhatsApp not working on your iPhone. So now there is a very simple fix for this. First, what you'll need to do is open up your settings, go to cellular option, and then scroll down till you find WhatsApp. Now in WhatsApp, make sure that it's turned on. If it's turned off, your cellular data will not work when you use WhatsApp. So make sure it's turned on. After you turn it on, scroll up till you find cellular data options. And in cellular data options, make sure that your low data mode is turned off. Using low data mode will reduce your data usage, so that might affect the use of WhatsApp on your background. Now after doing so, what if your WhatsApp still does not work? Scroll down in your settings till you find the general option and then go to iPhone storage. Now after going to iPhone storage, go down till you find WhatsApp and then offload your app. Now after offloading your app, all of your data will be freed. All of your storage used up by the app will be freed, but your data will still be in your phone. You can always reinstall this app and your data will still be on your iPhone. After doing so, your WhatsApp should work. So that's it for the tutorial video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.